Hello, today we are going to talk about Haber process that is in the syllabus of O levels chemistry. What is Haber process? Haber process is an industrial method used to manufacture ammonia by reacting nitrogen with hydrogen under specific condition. Word equation is simply nitrogen plus hydrogen gives us what? Ammonia. Balanced chemical equation 1 mole of N2, 3 mole of H2 gives us 2 moles of ammonia, NH3. The reaction is reversible and it reached dynamic equilibrium. Raw material simply that is nitrogen obtained from the oxygen by fractional distillation of liquid air. Hydrogen usually obtained from natural gas methane by steam reforming. Conditions that are the most important thing. Conditions required temperature is 450. uh, that is a compromise between speed and yield. Okay, pressure should be 200 atmospheric pressure. Higher pressure increase ammonia yield. Why? Because there is 2 moles of ammonia product is obtained from 4 moles of N2 and H2O. Iron is a catalyst that speed up a reaction without being used. Temperature for Haber process is an exothermic reaction. Okay, so why we use 450 Celsius? Low temperature, higher ammonia yield, but reaction is very slow. Okay, faster reaction, high temperature, but lower ammonia yield. Therefore, 450 Celsius chooses as the best compromise. Okay, more than that, the reaction is faster, but ammonia yield is very low. Okay, and below than that, ammonia yield is high, but reaction is very slow. So we need a moderate reaction and good quality of yield. Pressure there, there you can see 1 mole of ammonia, 3 moles of sorry, 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen. So total 4 moles of gas. Right hand side just have 2 moles of ammonia. So increases pressure favor the side in fewer gas molecules. So higher pressure increase ammonia production. Okay. Catalyst iron speed up the reaction, lower activation energy. We have talked in the previous topic. Do not change equilibrium position. Okay, and does not increase yield, it just speeds up the reaction. Okay, why is the reaction reversible? Because ammonia can decompose back into nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, forward reaction is simply N2 plus 3 moles of H2O gives us 2 moles of ammonia. In reverse reaction we get from 2 moles of ammonia we get 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen. Okay. Dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium occurs when forward reaction continues, reverse reaction continues, both occur at the same time and concentration remain constant. Okay. Now there is not an increase in the concentration of volume, product or reactant. Okay. Conditions are reversible reaction and closed system. Okay. Effect of changing condition. Increasing temperature. What will happen when we increase the temperature? Yield will decrease. Okay, reaction becomes faster. Decreasing, we have just talked about above that yield increases, but reaction becomes slower. Okay, increasing pressure, yield increases, equilibrium shifts to the right. Decreasing pressure, yield decrease, equilibrium shifts to the left. Adding more nitrogen and hydrogen, equilibrium shifts to the right. More ammonia will be produced. Removing ammonia, if we remove ammonia, then equilibrium also shift to the right and more ammonia will form. Industrial process, nitrogen and hydrogens are purified, gas are compressed, heat to 450 Celsius passed over a iron catalyst, ammonia form. Ammonia is cooled and liquefied. Unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen are recycled. Uses of ammonia. Ammonia is used for many things. For example, manufacture of fertilizer, production of nitric acid used in different industry, cleaning products, refrigerants, explosive, plastics, and synthetic fibers. Advantage of Haber process: produce large quantities of ammonia. That is for the industrial state. Okay, support global food production through fertilizer. Okay, fertilizer is the most important thing for the human being for food. Okay, continuous industrial process. Okay, unreactive gas recycle and reduce waste. Disadvantage: high energy cost due to high temperature and pressure. For higher pressure and higher temperature we have to use a lot of energy, and that energy came from what? That energy is came from fossil fuels. Okay, contribute to greenhouse gas emission. Sorry, and requires the expensive industrial equipment. If you want to take online classes, you can contact us.